Got our next caller. We've got Kashyap calling us from Andhra Pradesh. Hi Kashyap, morning. How can we help you today?
Yes, sir. Very good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
I'm big fan of Mr. Kush. Yeah, the way he smiles and answers the queries. We are getting very happy by seeing him every day. Sir, my question is regarding Kaynes Technologies. I have 28 shares with me. My average price is 3,617 rupees, sir. Now I'm at the profit of 12,748 rupees.
19,000, right? 19,800.
12,000, sir. 12,748 rupees, actually.
Okay, you should actually go and look at the price again, sir, because you have a profit of nearly 20,000 rupees. Anyway, what is the point? Sir. What is the question?
Yeah, my point is, can I accumulate more or can I exit and go for another Genser technologies like that?
Okay, and your time frame is less than 1 year?
Yeah, I'm a long-term base. Actually, I'm looking for long-term.
Long-term, all right. So more than 1 year. What's the prospect? He's making profits, Kush, and he's also very appreciative of your smile. Why don't you give us one and give us your answer as well?
Thank you so much, Kashyap. I'm sure Alex would also agree. And you've made my day, his too, because his show. But thank you so much for thanks so much for those kind words. Always make it a part to smile no matter what the market does, right? So again, made my day. I think for the stock, as far as Kaynes Tech goes, the prospects don't look too bright, even from a year's perspective right now, because as China would concur, the stock is still overvalued on fundamentals, but it's actually slipped below the 200-day moving average, which is not a very healthy sign for any stock. Recovery, is fizzling out. Since you are in a profit, I'm sure a significant portion of that has been wiped out. But nonetheless, there is profit. Not a bad idea to perhaps exit Kaynes Tech at the moment. And since you were so sweet, I'll take up your second question as well. Alex normally doesn't allow. But Gensol Engineering, that too is actually seeing a bit of a drubbing. There is a bottom formation attempt at place, but I wouldn't venture a preemptive trade just yet. What you could do is actually wait for this one. If the stock actually moves above 750, that's when this recovery will be confirmed and you can go ahead and buy. So don't buy right now. Buy it slightly higher, but once you have a confirmation that yes, the recovery is well underway.
Okay, viewers, don't take this as a reason to compliment Kush and get him to answer more questions. That's not how it works on this program. Larsen and Toubro is the name of the counter that we're talking about next. And in fact, Kundan has bought at a price of 3,100. Should he hold or sell? It's interesting. And I know that he's not specified a time frame, but he's in the green and he's making a decent profit. China, on the fundamentals, it actually did pretty well. It did really well, if I remember correctly. And, the expectation is that the capex push in the new year, and I know that the numbers overall were less than perhaps the street was expecting from the center, but a lot of people have pointed out that you should look at the center plus the states plus the PSU. So it's not like the capex story is going away. Would you hold on to this?
Yeah, you can hold, and at dips decline you could also add, because as you mentioned, while the capex was the amount that they have projected was a bit disappointing, but having said that, we are going to see a pickup, because in the first couple of months the capex was not as good as one would have estimated because of elections, etc. But now it is picking up, and L&T is fundamentally a good stock to have in your portfolio. You could hold at current levels, but if you want to add, you can add it at dips. You could add it close to about 3,230 types, and then hold it for the medium to long term with a target of 3,800.